Japan is a country of samurai and sushi, cherry blossoms, and cutting-edge robots. But beneath the beauty and tradition lies a side of Japan that most tourists never see, an entire underground layer of culture that ranges from bizarre to downright genius. Today, we're diving into 10 absolutely crazy secrets about Japan that will blow your mind, make you laugh, and maybe even make you question reality. From meowing trains to robot cafes, you're not ready for this. Let's go. Secret 1. There's a train that meows like a cat. In most countries, when a train arrives, you hear a dull ding or a robotic voice. But in Wakayama, Japan, you might hear a meow. That's because the local train is cat-themed, and not just in design. The Tama Densha is decked out with feline artwork inside and out. It was created to honor Tama the cat, who became the station master of Kishi Station in 2007. She wore a little conductor's hat and greeted passengers, boosting tourism so much that she was officially promoted to a managerial role. When she passed away, she was given a full Shinto funeral and enshrined as a deity. Today, her legacy lives on, in the form of a meowing train, only in Japan. Secret 2. You can hire fake friends or family. Need a boyfriend for your high school reunion? A mother to come to your wedding? In Japan, you can rent people for almost anything. There are entire agencies, like Family Romance, that let you hire actors to play roles in your life. Want to impress your coworkers with how social you are? Hire some friends. Need a stand-in dad for your kid's PTA meeting? Done. Some people have even kept up these relationships for years, with actors pretending to be their spouse or parent the whole time. Sounds like a Black Mirror episode, but for many in Japan, where social pressure is intense and appearances matter, it's a solution to a very real problem: loneliness and societal expectation. Is it sad? Ingenious? A little bit of both? You decide. Secret 3. Vending machines sell the weirdest stuff. With over 5 million vending machines, Japan has the highest density of vending machines in the world. About 1 for every 25 people. But it's not just Coke and snacks. You can get hot ramen, fresh eggs, umbrellas, flower bouquets, surgical masks, and even flying fish soup. Some vending machines are stocked with mystery bags. Buy one and you might get a rare toy, or a weird souvenir. There are even ones that dispense used books, rare beetles, or in more controversial areas, used clothing. Yep. Because this is Japan, most of them are pristine, functional, and super high-tech. Some even have AI facial recognition to recommend drinks based on your age and gender. You're never more than a few steps from hydration, or a plastic dinosaur, at any time. Secret 4. Sumo wrestlers compete to make babies cry. In most cultures, people will do anything to stop a baby from crying. But in Japan, there's a festival where they try to make babies cry. On purpose. It's called the Naki Sumo Festival, and it's been going on for over 400 years. Sumo wrestlers hold infants, sometimes in full ceremonial gear, and try to get them to cry before the other baby. The louder the cry, the better. Why? Because crying is believed to ward off evil spirits and bless the child with good health and strength. It's part sporting event, part sacred ritual, and fully adorable. And don't worry, if a baby won't cry, sometimes the referee will don a scary mask to help things along. Secret 5. Most streets don't have names. Think you're good with directions? Try navigating in Japan, where most streets don't have names. Instead of street names, Japan uses a block system. You identify locations based on city, ward, district, then block number, and then building number, often based on construction order, not logical sequence. Even taxi drivers get confused, and locals rely heavily on landmarks. It's so common for people to draw maps by hand that it's still a skill taught in school. You haven't lived until you've tried a tiny ramen shop hidden in a neighborhood with no addresses during a rainstorm. Secret 6. Toilets from the future. You haven't really used the bathroom until you've used a Japanese toilet. These aren't just toilets, they're experiences. Heated seats, built-in bidets with adjustable pressure, deodorizing sprays, white noise generators for privacy, motion-sensing lids. Some even have health tracking functions that analyze your urine or stool. And it's not just in fancy hotels. These are everywhere. Even convenience stores often have better toilets than luxury restaurants in other countries. It's a little intimidating at first, but after a week in Japan, you'll never want to go back to your basic bathroom again. Secret 7. Students clean their own schools. In Japan, kids don't just learn at school, they help maintain it. There are no janitors in most Japanese public schools. Instead, students clean their classrooms, hallways, and even bathrooms every day as a part of a practice called soji. Why? It's not just about cleanliness, it's about respect. Respect for the space, for others, and for one's own role in a community. It teaches humility, cooperation, and responsibility from an early age. Now imagine trying this in schools back home. Secret 8. Robot cafes run by people with disabilities. In Tokyo's Dawn Avatar Cafe, you're served by robots. But these aren't just any robots, they're controlled remotely by people with physical disabilities who might be bedridden or housebound. They use computers and cameras to see through the robot's eyes and speak through its voice. It's more than cool tech, it's social innovation. People who are isolated are now working, engaging, and earning an income through these avatars. The cafe is warm, interactive, and genuinely moving. A beautiful fusion of Japan's tech obsession and compassion. Secret 9. Capsule hotels are tiny, cheap, and amazing. Need a place to crash for the night? In Japan, you can rent a futuristic pod for less than $30. Capsule hotels offer small, individual sleeping pods stacked like drawers in a cabinet, complete with privacy screens, chargers, a TV, and sometimes even Netflix. There are showers, lockers, lounges, and vending machines on site. Originally made for salarymen who missed the last train, they're now popular with tourists, backpackers, and anyone who loves minimalism. It's cozy, efficient, and weirdly satisfying. Just don't expect to stretch out. Secret 10. There are more pets than children. Japan's birth rate is one of the lowest in the world, and today there are more cats and dogs in Japan than there are children under 15. Pet pampering has become an industry, complete with pet spas, bakeries, massage parlors, and even designer fashion. You can buy birthday cakes for your dog, or send your cat to a pet hotel with room service. In a country where many people live alone, pets are family, and they get treated very well. Japan is full of wonder, tradition, and more than a few surprises. Whether it's robot cafes or crying baby contests, these crazy secrets show just how unique and fascinating this country really is. Which one shocked you the most? Did we miss something even crazier? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more weird, wild, and wonderful stories from Japan and beyond, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because we've got plenty more where this came from. See you next time on Kyoto Culture.